It's still another lovely Wednesday morning, and today is Democracy Day in Nigeria, and everybody is celebrating the Democracy Day. It's been a while, and Nigerians want to celebrate this time around. Of course, we've had several Democracy Day, but not on the 12th of June nationally. I think this is the first time we are doing it nationally, because it was just last year that our former president, Muhammadu Buhari, in honor of Chief MK Abiola, decided to name June 12 Democracy Day to commemorate the dissolution of the election of the freest and fairest election that has ever held in Nigeria. But unfortunately, the then military president Ibrahim Babangida dissolved it, and that led to a major protest in the country, which eventually culminated in the arrest of MKO Abiola, and of course, eventually the stepping aside of President Ibrahim Babangida, and ultimately it boiled down to Nigeria moving from the military to the civilian administration. My name is Ehis, Agbon, and on Procyon Radio and Television today, we have this edition of Make Them Talk. Like una know, Make Them Talk na program wey be say we dey bring and come meet una for language wey all of una sabi, and the thing wey Make Them Talk dey about be say we go bring all those news things and different things wey dey happen for our country wey people dey talk about. And once we bring our concept at table, me wey be the anchor and the analyst wey dey with me wey be Mazi, Uche, Ijegalu, we go analyze and deliquate, and we go also open phone lines and open our social media for people to comment and for people to call in and tell us how it be them. And the program they come meet now for both Procyon Radio and for Procyon Television. The number to dial to be part of the program is 0809 4646 206 and 0809 799 1989. Now the two numbers with that. Una also feel drop in a comment and observation for our social media handle will be Procyon RTV. Una go fit see Procyon RTV for YouTube, Procyon RTV there for Facebook, Procyon RTV there for Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Once una go there, una go drop in a comment and observation and wait for here. We go read them out, make people when they listen to us and people when they hear us, make them hear what you talk and how una feel about the thing where we they talk. Like I tell una, my guest is already in the studio with me, and the guests we will introduce them to our guest for the program, Mazi, Uche, Ijegalu. Mazi, welcome to Make Them Talk today.
Yeah, una good morning, no. Today go better. Una happy Democracy Day for Nigeria.
All right, so una don't hear Mazi. For the program that una know, we will start by first of all going to Truth Nigeria. Truth Nigeria and a media website where we say their own know now to help you discover the truth about Nigeria, and then they support us for the program Make Them Talk and for Procyon Radio and Television. Also, we will give them stories from their website, the different stories we did there. Then from there, we will come move go the newspaper where we say they reign for Nigeria. We will pick the headlines so they are front page. We will also come deliquate them for the program so that the countryman understand what all of these things be. So, without waste of time, we will just go straight to Truth Nigeria, their website. And for Truth Nigeria website, you get plenty story. Now, the website of Truth Nigeria now, truthnigeria.com. Truthnigeria.com. Now, the website of Truth Nigeria. So if you now go on our phone or on our computer, just put in www.truthnigeria.com. Once you put that in, and I will see the stories so they there. Now, the major story where the landing page of truthnigeria.com. Now, the Reverend Father will be saying gunmen be kidnapped, whether they ask for $1,000 ransom. Now, him be said they don't free him, and the headline be kidnapped Catholic priest ransomed out and in hospital. Kidnapped Kaduna Catholic priest ransomed out and in hospital. And that headline, they did the headline of how the government they demand for the money. Government demand $1,000 ransom to free abducted priest. Also they there. If I go through Nigeria.com, I go see Boko Haram build new Sambisa forest in Niger Shiroro communities. Inside truthnigeria.com, now also see the story where Ansaru terror group responsible for our church massacre, and this one a security expert Nahin Tokam. Now that one be the major thing for Truth Nigeria website today. Then the main story what we will carry come up from Truth Nigeria website, what we will analyze and deliquate. Now the one will be the kidnapped Catholic priest ransomed out and in hospital. But before we come deliquate and proper, but we can look inside some of the newspaper what we carry put for center table today. Make we also try understand them. For the program today, we get plenty newspaper. Inside the newspaper, we'll go check today. We get one way we say now the Nation newspaper. We also look new Nigerian newspaper. Can look TG News. Daily Trust also the on center table today for us to deliquate. And we can't get the Daily Times newspaper. After Daily Times, we go try look inside within the Vanguard newspaper, check the Punch newspaper, and we'll come round that up with the Guardian newspaper. So as we do one, we will start from Truth Nigeria. The major story where they there will be kidnapped Kaduna Catholic priest ransomed out and in hospital. Details of the story. The small beginning where the story carry be endured merciless beating by kidnappers. Now look at Biniat where they write for Truth Nigeria. Now carry this story come for center table. Reverend Father Gabriel Uche kidnapped on Sunday, June 9, from his official residence at St. Paul's Catholic Church, Zamandabo, Atiap Chiefdom, Zango Kataf County, about 130 miles south of Kaduna Metropolis, has been released by his abductors. Officials and local sources confirmed that the 44-year-old priest was released and found his way to Zamandabo village around 9 p.m. Monday to the jubilation of 3,000 residents of the farming community who are chiefly Catholic. A statement from Reverend Father Okafor Gabriel Tochukwu, Director of Communication, Kafanja Catholic Diocese, on Tuesday, will be yesterday, talk say, with gratitude to God, we announce the safe release of our brother and priest, Reverend Father Gabriel Uche, who was abducted from the rectory of the St. Thomas Parish, Zamandabo Zango Kataf local government area of Kaduna State, where he shepherds. The statement they there, make una go there, go carry them, read all the details where they inside, then una go know how it be and how una suppose understand all these things where they happen. But again, one other area when I would like read small will be a breakdown of the data show that at least 5 Catholic priests were abducted in Kaduna and 3 in Benue, Edo, and Anambra State. And below are the names of kidnapped Catholic priests in Kaduna State and their times of abduction and as compiled by Truth Nigeria. So if I go Truth Nigeria and I'll see names of all the Catholic priests who they don't kidnap for Kaduna State and other parts, and we can read and see how the story be and how una feel am. From Truth Nigeria, we will come begin enter the newspaper. We will come begin the look the story where they their front page so that we all will understand how this thing they go and how we want to take also react to the headlines. We will start from the Nation newspaper. And for inside the Nation newspaper, we get the cover story with the banner headline, which talks say, ongoing reforms will lead to stronger economy, says Tinubu. This one will be the major story with the front of the Nation newspaper. And the picking way that headline carry talks say, let's keep fire of democracy burning. And the second picking way carry now, lawmakers to get bill on agreed minimum wage. That one, President Tinubu talk all of those ones. For inside the Nation newspaper, I still get the story where to say, where the headline be, witness, Emefiele ignored Buhari's approval in Naira printing. Another story where today the Nation newspaper, DSS warn protesters with sinister motives. All of this one, and I will read them for inside the Nation newspaper. From the Nation newspaper, we enter the Nigerian newspaper, where the major story, where the front page of the Nigerian newspaper, like signboard, talk say Democracy Day. PRP says electoral process remains monetized. and we say now money now they determine how election will be for Nigeria. Other stories we on the New Nigeria newspaper. Salah, Kaduna government designates location for ram sales. No be everywhere on our sell ram, we get where the arrange on our sell ram for Kaduna. Also, 5,000 Southern Kaduna ginger farmers receive recovery support packages worth 1.6 billion naira. Now the story be that, then I quickly take this one before we leave New Nigeria. Middleburg Group backs Peter Obi over comments on 2023 polls. Okay, from New Nigeria, we will quickly enter SITNG News. And SITNG News for their front page, they say, Band A introduction reduces electricity subsidy from 3 trillion naira to 1 trillion naira. Now, Power Minister, they talk that one. Other stories really there talk, say, soldiers' brutality, civilian staff of Defense Ministry stage protests. For the top, will be above the masthead of TG News. Slanderous publication group writes IGP in defense of VP Shetima, Ned Boss. And the last story we'll take from TG News be ex-President Goodluck cautions against regional religious-based democracy. He said that one no go help our democracy at all. From TG News, maybe under Daily Trust. And for inside Daily Trust, we get the major headline where they there as Tinubu may reshuffle cabinet, create new ministry. And the Peking way this headline carry talks to some ministers to go. And the second Peking be, I will send bill on minimum wage to National Assembly soon, President. This story now inside Daily Trust newspaper. They may not pick and make una read down. Also, for Daily Trust newspaper, below the masthead talks say Jonathan, National Assembly should consider best model of government for Nigeria. And truth under fire, the multi-front assault on facts during 2023 Nigerian election. And the ministers seek probe of PAMSEC over alleged sexual harassment. She wants to destroy man of integrity. From Daily Trust, we go enter Daily Times newspaper. Inside Daily Times newspaper, we get the major story. There we talk say security agencies mobilize officers against threat of mass protests. This one, became we say for the head, it said Democracy Day. And on other headline where they hear PAMSEC under heat over allegation of sexual harassment in Ministry of Foreign Affairs. The Niger State moves against domestic violence with 3-year jail term. We also got this story where talk says Senate passes NDDC's 1.9 trillion naira 2024 budget. And the final thing we will take from Daily Times, they say 2024 supplementary budget to be financed by Presidential Infrastructure Development Fund. And Minister talked that one. From Daily Times to enter Vanguard. And for Vanguard, the major story where Vanguard carried this morning, we say June 12, current challenges being used to impair democracy. President Tinubu talked that one. Also for the front page of Vanguard, we get police, military's attitude to banditry frustrating. Now Zamfara State Governor, I talked that one though. Make sure so you pick up a copy of the Vanguard. Go page 9, go read details of that one. Then Rivers Court didn't declare 25 lawmakers PDP members. Court document is saying. All right, too. And for above the masthead of the Vanguard newspaper, we get cholera outbreak, 5 died, 60 hospitalized in Lagos. And from there, let's move on to the next paper, will be the Punch. Inside the Punch newspaper, the major story, we carry signboard for the front talks, Democracy Day. Tinubu hails Abiola orders, warns against anti-democracy forces. And the picking with the headline carry, President vows to preserve democracy, appease Nigerians over economic hardship. Other stories where the Supreme Court begins sitting as states counter federal government on local government funds. And which other headline we will carry for Punch today? They say UK universities offer expelled Nigerian students flight support. So, from Punch, we go enter the last newspaper where it be The Guardian. And inside The Guardian, we get the major story there where it say hope betrayed at 31. Citizens in their state still in search of democratic ideals, dividends. And all of this one, we can go Guardian, go read the other stories for Guardian. I understand the economic difficulties. You don't, Atiku, others tell Tinubu, we can pick the Guardian, get details of this one. Kaduna pardons 110 convicts to mark Democracy Day. This story, they for inside Guardian newspaper. Now, like this, now we end up all of this thing, we begin to liquid. And now we will start from the first one. Will be the Catholic priest where it be say the kidnap where they don't free after they pay ransom. Though they talk say they don't pay ransom, but Truth Nigeria talk say it be like say ransom follow because they free am. Mazi, this one where we see all these people now, they target priests, they target people where they work for God. Because from Catholic alone, you see all the different priests where they don't carry. Because from that Truth Nigeria investigation, where they list the names of plenty, now almost 9 Catholic priests, now they say they don't carry. Father Joseph Akete Bako, that one Kaduna Parish, Father Sylvester Okechukwu, that one St. Anthony's Parish for Zaria Diocese, Father Donatus Cleopas, that one for King Christ the King Catholic Kafanchan. They never they don't know how much they pay for ransom for the relief. Father John Mark Chietnum, that one also Christ the King Catholic Church Kafanchan. They kill him after payment of ransom. Father Victor Borogo was killed by bandits on his Kaduna farm after a failed kidnap bid. Reverend Father Silas from St. Charles Catholic Church, Zambina, was released after ransom payment. Father Oliver Buba, kidnapped on May 21, 2024, released, ransom paid. Reverend Father Gabriel Uche, kidnapped June 9, 2024 from St. Thomas Church, Zango Kataf, released, ransom paid. Target of Catholic priest now.
This thing, it dey shock me, as in it dey shock me say group of people go know say na clergyman, na man of God. Like Father Akete wey you mention, I know him one-on-one. Borogo, I know him one-on-one. These are men of God. Akete, I don't know in case, but we know say Borogo dey kill am. Akete, I don't know whether he's living or dead. But that aside, headline say kidnap Catholic priest.
Ransom out and in hospital.
I am a Catholic. One thing I did very, very sure of, Catholic no pay ransom.
Okay.
I did very, very sure of that one. I don't know where the story come from. I don't know whether an individual go pay, but for the church can never consider to paying ransom for kidnapping. But now what they do, well, if you feel say una pass God, wanna continue, but wanna know say na anointed men of God na dey carry so.
So I don't hear and those who they do they could be careful. All right, for inside the newspaper, the major stories we will look at. First of all, today na Democracy Day, June 12, and since when Buhari declared June 12 Democracy Day, this is not the first time when the new administration they really carry out consciously. Yes, they do it last year, but this year, well, the village they really want to arrange and also mark 1 year in office of the new administration. This June 12th, and the way Nigeria they mark am. What will be your take for this one?
If no be say I dey on air now, I for start dey laugh. You know why? Because this thing dey confusing. Plenty people no even know say today na 12th of June. Because they don't dey used to 29th May.
Yeah.
Before you know, they come shift am to June 12th. Now even when I come office, now I can see some offices they locked, like all these offices. I don't want to mention their name. But truly, I don't know what you will do June 12th inside hunger. You understand? Because now when things they happen, you know when you get extra, now you go think of jamboree.
Yeah.
You go say, okay, today na my democracy day. Let me go and celebrate democracy. Democracy, now government of the people by the people, and for the people.
Yes.
Now this one na government for the rich. A poor man wey never see garri buy. Imagine this day morning, I see one pikin one shop. Make dem give am garri 2 cups, give am groundnut and sugar. My sister. Probably na what she wan take drink, go school in the morning. Make you see how the thing don bad reach.
Pikin wey drink garri, how I want to
Pikin wey drink garri go school. How I wan take know say 1 + 1 na 2?
You say 1 + 1 na 11 you go dey see.
Truly, democracy dey is good, but kai, no, I no know.
They need to do more. Nigeria needs to feel the impact of democracy better. Than the bottom line of that one be that. Okay, this other story we got to do with this our Atiku and others. So they tell Tinubu say Nigeria democracy no sweet as in take am. Say na lie be the things wey they talk. Say one thing. How you see am? Because Tinubu talk say things. Say he understand the economic difficulties. Now here Atiku and others they tell us say you don't. For you think say Tinubu understand that, and you think say the thing when they do that, wetin give idea say be like say light go dey.
You know say anywhere where they count say beauty dey there, I be say beauty no dey there. They come say hey for Kaduna now or for Nigeria one person fine, na be say everybody ugly there. By the time you say you know am, and people wey be say they no dey always appear, men wey be say they respect, no be only one person dey talk am say oga you no know am, do am like this. You suppose ask yourself, these people, I know say na me be the president, but these people dey talk, if I say true, then make I even look their side, make I see how e go be. President, you dey hear me this morning, na you be our president now, no get choice, you don be our president. But if you know say you get that thing wey no dey do well, wey dey say you no sabi am, try make you sabi am now, make all of us move forward.
Try make you sabi and make all of us move forward. Na him Mazi dey advise Tinubu today, because this thing one person no get the whole sense for the whole world. Now you bring small, I bring small, that one bring small, this one bring small. Na him things they take better, and na him things they take arrange as it's supposed arrange. Yes, the program one of the year now make them talk, and they come to now from Procyon radio and television. They encourage people make una always they tune to our channel for 9 o'clock in the morning and 9 o'clock in the evening for make them talk. And the program they give an opportunity to also chook mouth for anything we they discuss for the program. Now we will look this advice wey former President Goodluck Jonathan give our National Assembly people, where he talks say make them consider best model of government, and also make them not too they put mind say religion and tribal sentiment in. Now they put for when they arrange their laws. As ex-President Jonathan cautions against regional religious-based democracy. How you this one take? How you feel this one?
Now one of the presidents wey be president for Nigeria wey be say if they do national anthem, I go stand tall like this. You know why? Because this man, e be like say he understand wetin dey happen, and he understand what is called human sympathy. I don't say make they rule the country with sympathy, but what I'm saying is this man they talk say more forget say you dey worship for A, dey worship for B, dey worship for C. Make we bring a formula, make special national assembly wey we go take the model Nigeria, make Nigeria dey move forward. Now in point be that, and I think say sense dey in what you talk. President and your cabinet, this man senior you for that seat, so he better make you listen to am, because whether you like it or not, whether you senior for age, he be your senior for that place where you dey now.
009-4646-206 and 009-799-1989. I be number one if you take call us for studio. You can feel free to call us anytime in the course of the program. But after the program, if you drop voice note for our WhatsApp, then the next day we will play your voice note for the program. Don't forget our social media handles now. Procyon RTV. You can get us for YouTube, but for Facebook, Twitter, whether they call X now, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Thread. Procyon RTV, now be our handle, any day, anytime, make una join us. Before we go for the program, I would like make Mazi give one final advice to those who they listen to us and those who they watch us on how they conduct themselves as good citizens of Nigeria.
First and foremost, I want to tell you say Happy Democracy Day. I want to tell you say this worker, who the worker, not just fly from the sky. Now from Procyon television and radio, now all this story they come out on the channel. I beg una, make una dey tune to Procyon RTV, because every morning 9 a.m. we dey here, they bring that tori wey you suppose hear, that tori wey you no get the opportunity to read or see for your phone because of that or the other thing, but they flow and come so that you go dey lis ten. But make you also be a good Nigerian. No take because hunger dey go break person shop, because if you do that one, you go bad you. Be a good citizen.
Be a good citizen, na be the advice wey una get from Mazi, and me say go add my put say make we all be a good citizen of our country. All those other countries where some people dey japa and run go, na their own citizens repair am o. No be outside that repair am for them. So make we try repair our own too, so that our country go also better. People go also dey japa come our country to come arrange themselves. Before I come up for the program, Mazi, I want to thank you very much. Say you enter studio today like this.
Thank you.
And to the production team, Dominic Emmanuel, Nifemi Onibidio, and Sarah Agbon, I want to thank all of you now, proper, and well for all the things that they do. My name now Ehis Agbon. Until next time, like always, I will say una bye yo.
Say you want know the truth about Nigeria? Now for Truth to Nigeria, you go find them. Your ogbonge correct authentic news where they dilute the matter proper. Or yeah, check truthnigeria.com for the true story where matter. From government go enter international politics. Discover the truth behind the headlines. Truth to Nigeria. Now where the fact they jam body with clarity. Or discover the truth about Nigeria today. Just visit truthnigeria.com now.